Hello and good evening, everyone. Today is day 13 of my English learning journey. So, in this video, I'm going to share a story of a deaf frog. So, one lovely morning, a group of frogs were walking through the jungle. Suddenly, two of the frogs were fell into the pit. One of their friends saw them and called the other group members and said, "Hey, come back, come back." Our two friends had fallen into the pit. The crowd gathered and started shouting, and the fallen frogs trying to jump harder and harder in order to come out. But they failed. The crowd from the above saying, stop trying, wait for the rain. When rain falls, you will come up. So don't waste your energy. One of the frog heard their voice and stopped trying and lost hope. But the other frog kept on trying, jumping again and again, higher and higher, and suddenly he came out. The crowd cheered him up and said, "How did you do this? Didn't you hear? We were saying, don't jump, don't jump." The frog didn't say anything and smiled. Later, the group got to know that he was deaf. Yeah, you got it. The moral of the story is we should not focus on negative things, right? Keep trying and stay focused. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Keep practicing.